Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update BigQuery materialized views for faster dashboards step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Google Cloud Console. Select your project from the project drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, locate and click on BigQuery. Once in BigQuery, find the Resources panel on the left side. Expand your dataset tree by clicking on the dataset containing your materialized view. Locate the materialized view you want to update. Click on the materialized view to open its details page. Review the SQL query that defines your materialized view. To update the view, click on the Edit button at the top of the page. Make any necessary changes to the SQL query to optimize performance. Consider removing any unnecessary columns or filters for faster performance. Ensure that the query aggregates data efficiently. Once you are satisfied with the updates, click on Save. After saving the changes, the system will automatically refresh the materialized view. Monitor the refresh status in the Notifications area. You may also schedule periodic refreshes for your materialized view. To set up scheduling, go to the Scheduled Queries section in BigQuery. Click on Create Query and enter the updated SQL for the materialized view. Set the frequency for the refresh according to your dashboard needs. Choose the appropriate destination for the results and click Schedule. Once the update is complete, check your dashboards to confirm. Verify that the data reflects the latest updates and is loading faster. Remember to periodically review and refine your materialized views for ongoing performance improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.